for Karen.
At the Purvis home in Middlesbrough, the Christmas spirit has been revived by this change in isolation rules.
What do you think of the news then?
John told his parents this morning that despite having COVID, he should now get home for the 25th.
Just the thought of you being on your own over Christmas would have been a disaster.
All he needs now are 2 negative lateral flow tests.
It's the best Christmas present I could get this year, I think, just to be able to go home and be with my family at Christmas and not be on my own.
From today, fully vaccinated people in England who test positive can cut their self-isolation from 10 days to 7. But that's only if they have 2 negative lateral flow tests on day 6 and 7, and they're still advised to limit social contact. The changes only apply to those who are vaccinated. Unvaccinated people still have to self-isolate for 10 days. At the Mellows care home in Essex, they've had to ban visitors after an outbreak of COVID. A result, the owner claims, of agency workers filling in for sick staff.
Difficult, very difficult. Every day, literally one of us, even myself, literally involved in trying to get staff on board. And that's what we tend to do. We've got one person literally just doing that. And at the moment, that's me.
How much difference do you hope this shorter isolation period will have?
When you look at it in real terms, yes, it will be beneficial because at least we can get people back to work slightly early.
The new rules rely on people taking their own lateral flow tests, which public health experts warn can be flawed.
I think a shorter period, that is 7 days, people may be more likely to follow that. But whether they will actually carry out the letter of what's required in terms of 2 tests, and also they're advised to report the results of the test, which I think is something that not everyone will engage with.
That's for John.
But Alan and Angela Purvis are hoping the shorter isolation period will mean they can enjoy a family Christmas. Juliet Bremner, ITV News.